In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to safely remove a saved payment card without confusion. First, open your web browser and head to patreon.com. Make sure you're on the official site before you sign in. Log into your account using your usual method. If you use a password manager or two-factor authentication, have those ready so you can get in smoothly. A quick tip: if you manage multiple Patreon accounts, double-check you're signed in to the one that actually holds the card you want to remove. Once you're in, look for Settings. On desktop, you'll typically find it by clicking your profile photo or the gear icon in the top right area and then choosing Settings. On mobile, it's similar. Tap your profile image, then go to Settings. This is where all your account preferences live, including anything related to billing and payments. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled More. This area expands the settings beyond basics, and it's where Patreon groups additional account options. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. It's easy to miss. Click More to reveal the extended menu. Now select Payment Methods. This page is your hub for everything related to how you pay on Patreon. You'll see any saved cards and possibly other methods like PayPal or a bank option depending on what you've added before. Take a moment to confirm which card you intend to remove, especially if you have more than one on file. To remove your registered card, locate the specific card entry and click the option to remove or delete it. This might appear as a Remove button, a trash can icon, or three dots you can click to reveal Remove. Confirm your choice when prompted. If you get a message saying the card can't be removed, it usually means there's an active membership or a pending charge tied to that card. In those cases, Patreon may require that a valid payment method remains on your account. You can add a new method first, set it as the active option, and then come back to remove the old card. Also, remember that Patreon often processes charges at the start of a billing cycle, so timing your removal after charges settle can help avoid interruptions. That's it. You went to patreon.com and signed in, opened Settings, expanded More, clicked Payment Methods, and removed the saved card. If you ever need to add a new card later, this is the same place to do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your payment details with confidence.